I am so excited to share with you guys another bag I picked up at my Dillard's that I was so surprised to find there. I went to Dillard's to look for the Coach cherry printed tote in the larger size. I have been carrying a multi-chrome Coach super large tote for years since they came out, if you guys remember the multi-chrome leather collection, and that tote is literally on its absolute last leg. And I was thinking this denim cherry one could be a nice alternative, so I went to the store to try it on, you guys. It was adorable. I'll post a picture here. Super cute. I liked the way that it fit on my body. It was a little bit bulky to wear crossbody, but it worked. It was cute. So I had the associate put it to the side for me because I wanted to just kind of look around and see what else was there, because they were having their humongous purse sale. And oh my gosh, I glanced to another table and this bag was just sitting there, and I could not believe my eyes and I could not believe my luck. I really felt like God was like, here is your bag, and it was like, okay, this bag has the seal of approval, because there it was fate. So this is the Coach Brooklyn 39 in the loved leather. I had seen this on one of the ladies that I follow for purse contents TikTok, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, that bag is amazing. I was hesitant to order online just because of the size. I wanted to see how this size would look like on my body. I feel like sometimes larger bags, either you have to be like taller to carry them off, or a smaller bag might look kind of silly if you're a little bit taller of a person. I thought the chance of seeing this and finding this was just not going to happen for me, because this loved leather has been so popular on the Coach website, you guys. Oh my gosh, but this is so beautiful. I love how it looks sort of worn, but then it still looks like very nice and shiny and classy. I loved the way that this looked on me. And I also like that it comes with its own purse charms. I love that Coach is including bags with purse charms now, even the Coach outlet. I feel like purse charms are all the rage. Coach purse charms are so expensive to buy on their own that it's nice to get a bag with charms that go with the bag already. You don't have to think about it. So this comes with a little key charm that says Coach on it. This reminds me of the key to my parents' house. And then it also comes with a little black dice. And then it comes with a black Coach hang tag. And then it has this little like holder type thing. I'm not sure what you would put in that, but this does open. And you are able to like maybe put like a chapstick in there or a key or something. These can also come off of this bag. They aren't like permanently attached to this little thing, but I don't know how this thing would look, this little ring would look with no charms on it, because there's not one on this side. So I don't know. But this bag is amazing. I have never tried the Coach Brooklyn, never tried it on. I just think it's cute, but I was like, this isn't for me. But this size of it, oh my gosh. And more practical replacement for my big toe. It holds so many things. It's versatile with the color. It's going to match a lot of stuff. And I feel like this leather material is going to be way more durable than the denim. And, you know, it's easier to clean and all of that stuff. So this bag is so spacious, you guys. It has a little like mini compartment here, and then you can also buy an organizer to put in here. I may do that after I wear it and see how it is, like, you know, filled with stuff. But they left a little Dillard's lock in my bag. It's not open though, and it doesn't have the key. What should I do with that? That's so cute. I thought maybe it was an extra charm, but no such luck. But yeah, you could buy a little organizer for this, and then you could just have like extra pockets and compartments. On my more expensive bags, I tend to buy an organizer more for protection of the lining in case I want to sell them. So it just keeps them from like getting stained or getting pen marks or lipstick, or, you know, the black stuff from your keys or whatever. So on my more expensive bags, I do buy those. For my Coaches, I usually don't, but I might for this one, just because it might need some extra organization, and the lining of this is a little bit of a lighter color. But overall, you guys, I love this bag. Love. I think it is so beautiful. I think it's going to be so versatile. It wears so nice on the shoulder too. Like, it really stays put. It has a nice long drop. It's comfortable to wear. So I feel like this was fate. I feel like this bag was meant to be mine because I didn't think I was going to be able to see it or find it in person. Because like I told you, I'm not near a Coach store. So let me know, do you have a Brooklyn shoulder bag? If you do, what size do you have? Do you like the Brooklyn? I'm really excited with this size 39. I just think it's so cute. And I may consider buying a smaller Brooklyn in the future as well, just because I'm really impressed with like how well this bag wears and just how nice it feels and how good the leather feels and how spacious it is, because sometimes you just want to carry like everything with you. So let me know, do you guys love the Coach Brooklyn, and do you love the loved leather finish? Because I really am loving the loved leather finish.